Today we're looking at the GMKtec M6 Ultra Mini PC, a compact powerhouse featuring the Ryzen 5 7640HS processor, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and a 1TB SSD. This device aims to deliver desktop-level performance in a tiny form factor, suitable for a range of demanding tasks without occupying much space. Let's dive into how the M6 Ultra performs in various real-world scenarios. For typical office applications, web browsing, and document creation, this mini PC offers seamless and quick operation, providing a highlight. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM, running many applications simultaneously or handling numerous browser tabs is incredibly smooth and lag-free. For lighter photo and video editing tasks, its powerful CPU and fast storage provide a capable experience, making it suitable. While not a dedicated gaming rig, it manages moderate 1080p gaming well thanks to the integrated Radeon 760M, perfect for. The M6 Ultra truly excels for everyday tasks and demanding productivity, delivering robust performance that feels. Next, we evaluate if its performance and features translate into genuine value. The powerful Ryzen CPU, ample DDR5 memory, and fast 1TB SSD at this price point make for an exceptional feature. While delivering great hardware, GMKtec is a newer brand compared to industry giants, so long-term support and recognition are still. Compared to similar mini PCs from other brands, the M6 Ultra often provides more processing power and memory for your. This model frequently sees appealing discounts, further enhancing its already strong value proposition and making it even more accessible too. When you consider the specifications and overall performance, the GMKtec M6 Ultra offers outstanding value, making. Finally, let's explore potential drawbacks and what buyers should consider. Build quality is solid and functional, though it might not have the premium feel or robustness found in more expensive. Under sustained heavy loads, thermals could become a factor, potentially impacting long-term component reliability if not properly managed. While GMKtec offers a warranty, their customer support and long-term parts availability are not as established as larger, more premium. Running standard Windows, there are no notable compatibility or significant software issues reported, ensuring a smooth and widely supported user. While offering strong performance value, potential buyers should be aware that long-term brand support and integrated. The GMKtec M6 Ultra Mini PC stands out as one of the strongest compact Windows PCs for the money. It's an ideal choice for users needing high performance for office work, coding, media consumption, and even light 1080p gaming, all without the bulk of a traditional tower.